Facebook. I am in Cave Creek, Arizona, and we were playing a place called Harold's Corral. Let me show you the venue. It's pretty cool. We just got done with sound check, and there we are. Another cool sold out show tonight. It's a really cool place. It is a restaurant bar thing, cool big outdoor concert venue. Buck Cherry's here next week. We're here tonight, so we're gonna have a lot of fun. I just knocked over my water bottle. I hope everybody can hear me over the PA. He just turned it on. As usual, every time I do one of these lives, they turn on the PA or play guitars or something. Anyway, so tonight's video, I'm going to talk about last night. Last night, the show had challenges. And so musicians, young musicians, guys out there who are just getting into this, gals that are just getting into this, be prepared for challenges. What happened was Sam was having some issues with his guitar rig. And it was second song of the set. Things started going a little weird. And we made it through, and the funny thing, and then Walt had an issue as well. His microphone cable went out for his vocal. So and especially now that Walt and Carl and David are all three singing, the 3-part harmonies are pretty much unstoppable. It's the best I've ever sounded, honestly. Anyway, it's going, they're doing great, and all of a sudden his microphone went out. I'm like, oh man. So Sam's guitars was having issues, and a vocal goes out. Now here's the moral of the story, okay? People were just enjoying themselves, going crazy, man. It was a great show last night. The crowd was incredibly responsive, just having a ball. Just a big rock concert, lots of fun. Now, the point is not to talk about how cool we are, and the point is also not to talk about the negative part about Sam's guitars going out. The point is the show must go on, and stay professional. Don't panic. If you get into this business and you're out there playing, something goes wrong, it is going to happen. You are going to have times when things go wrong. Don't panic. The audience didn't know. The funny thing is, at the end of the night, we're all sitting back, we walk around the corner of the stage, and we're like, oh my gosh, you made it through, thank God, hopefully everything goes good. Tomorrow night, we're kind of talking about how how to fix stuff and get things right. But the crowd they were so happy, and they loved the show. We went out to the swag table, and, you guys sounded great, blah, 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 all that sort of stuff. So, again, if you're a pro and you're going to be a pro, you want to be able to pull it off. You want to be able to do those things, right? You want to be able to pull off the gig. So anyway, there's another look at tonight's gig. There it is. Harold's Ranch in Cave Creek, Arizona. And from what they said, we're sold out, so I'm excited about that. So it's going to be a good night. We just got done with sound check. We're going to go have some dinner and get ready to go play the show. So if you're interested in coaching, if you are a musician and you want to get some, you're trying to get your career going, you need some help, want some coaching, go to my website, bartrobley.com. You want drum lessons, go to my website, bartrobley.com. If you're interested in this, check out my book, my business book. If you're interested in the music business and getting stuff going, it's called Drum Up Your Business. Drum is an acronym: determination, relationships, understanding, and mentorship. It's available on my website, bartrobley.com, or digital version is available on Hudson Music. And my other book, Rhythmic Journey, is also available on my website and on Hudson Music. Hey. Got some people showing up that are friends of the band, so nice to see them. Anyway, you know what? If you are out there playing, I got to say this. If you're out there playing, you're working, you're doing gigs, you're doing all that sort of stuff, and you've had a bad night. Not, I mean, again, the band played good. It was technical stuff. It was just the silly crap happening. I want to hear the stories. Those horror stories are the ones when you live through them, it's like, you know, okay, we made it through it, and I want to hear yours. If you have some, I would love to have it. Put in the comments below. If you're watching on YouTube, and you want to follow this, if you're seeing it on Facebook and you want to follow the whole tour, I'm doing every night from all the way through. There's like 21 shows on this run, and we're in Arizona right now. It ends in a couple of weeks in Florida, so we're going all over hell's half acre. I would love to have you guys follow me. So if you see it here on Facebook, cool. If you want to follow it on YouTube, that's cool too. Go to my YouTube channel, Bart Robley, and look for the playlist Road Rash and Band Aids, and that's where you will find these particular videos about this tour. And incidentally, the name of the tour, we call it the Tour O Table Song. All of our tours have a name to them, and they have to start with a T. Tour O, and then fill in the blank. So anyway, now I'm just babbling. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Let's get ready to go. Let's go ready to play a good show here. It's gonna be a lot of fun tonight. It's gonna be a good